Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to clear your watch history on TikTok. So as you can see now we're on our home page and we're going to go to our profile page by clicking on the icon in the bottom right corner that says profile, and it takes us here. Now we're going to click on the three stripes in the top right corner. We're going to select the last option, that's settings and privacy. And now in the content and display section, we're going to select watch history, that's right below language. So you can delete the selected videos from your watch history. For example, we want to delete this, this, and this. You can delete those. Now we're going to click on delete again. Or you can delete your whole watch history by clicking select in the top right corner, select all watch history in the bottom left corner, and delete. And click delete again. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!